Think about why you got involved in a home-based business. Wasn't it because you wanted freedom? Freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want? But that isn't the reality for most people, is it? True freedom comes from having enough residual income month after month, whether you work or not. So why don't most people have enough residual income? Because they don't have a team that's successful. And a successful team is nothing more than people who can sell product and recruit others. So why are most people failing to sell product and recruit others? Most reps aren't confident because they don't know what to say, or they're afraid to talk to people. So they either take no action or they take ineffective action and therefore get poor results and quit. Sound familiar? Your team will very likely be made up of two types of people. The first type will share your business ineffectively, get discouraged, and quit. Now, how does it feel when you spend a lot of time and money only to have someone quit or do nothing? The second type will share your business ineffectively, get frustrated, but instead of quitting, they will look for a solution, even if the solution is from another leader in your company. And how would it feel when your team gets a solution from some other leader in your company who eventually quits your business and raids your team to join some other business? In this video, we're going to show you why systems are critical to helping your team succeed. Then we'll show you the most amazing system that you can give anyone on your team literally free forever. And the reason we're willing to let you give anyone on your team a system free forever is because we also have a paid version which will help your team sell a lot more product and recruit a lot more reps. But rather than take my word for it, let me ask you a simple question. Why do you think many people invest over $1 million to buy a McDonald's franchise? It's not because they make the best hamburgers in the world. McDonald's sold over $21 billion worth of products last year because McDonald's has a simple, proven success system. It allows a teenager to successfully run a multi-million-dollar business with no previous business experience. This is why many people buy a McDonald's franchise, just like your business will attract many new reps when you have a simple, proven system that helps your reps sell a lot more product. And you also have a simple, proven system that helps your reps attract a lot more prospects. So what is the key to our simple, proven success system? Our simple, proven success system shares your business in the most effective way, all the time, for everyone. Remember when I asked you what would happen to your business when the most successful recruiter in your company gave their best presentation ever to every prospect for everyone on your team every day? Of course your business would explode. But how would we do that? We would put the best presentation ever online as part of our system because the system never takes a vacation. The system never gets sick, and the system never gives a bad presentation. It always gives the best presentation 24 hours a day so that anyone can be successful. Any rep can be successful by simply pointing someone to the system. This is critical because the way you introduce a prospect to your business is often the key factor whether they're going to join your business or not. For example, what if Joe, let's imagine Joe's a rep on your team, takes 30 minutes to tell Sally, who's a prospect, about his business? What would Sally think she needs to do to be successful in your business? Sally would probably think that she needs to spend 30 minutes with each prospect. Make sense? But what if Sally doesn't have much free time? Would she think she could be successful? Of course not. Even though Sally wants all the benefits of your business, she'll never join. Now, let me give you another example. What if Joe is a great salesperson when telling Sally about your business opportunity? What would Sally think she needs to do to be successful in your business? Sally would probably think that she needs to be a great salesperson, just like Joe, if she were to succeed. Now, what if Sally doesn't think that she's a great salesperson? Sally would never join your business because she won't believe she can be successful. Prospects do not care about the benefits of joining your business when deciding to join. Prospects want to know, can I do it? What would Sally think when Joe instead asks her one or two simple questions in less than 1 minute and simply points Sally to his website? Sally's probably going to think, hey, Joe didn't spend much time with me and he wasn't some great salesperson. I could do that. The key factor whether or not Sally will join your business is how she was initially introduced to your business. So, what are the components of a simple proven success system? A lead capture page, a sales page, and an email campaign. And an email campaign is simply a series of emails spread over time. These three components, when connected together, are what are called a sales funnel. And an effective sales funnel will lead a prospect down a path so that they are a lot more likely to buy products and they're a lot more likely to join your business opportunity. In contrast, a company replicated website usually does not have lead capture pages. And lead capture pages capture the contact information of prospects, which is absolutely critical because without them, you're never going to know when a prospect's on your website and you're never going to be able to follow up with them. It often takes many exposures to your business before someone will join, which is why there's the saying, the fortune is in the follow-up. Now, some people use a system that has some lead capture pages, but those systems do not give you the ability to create and share your own lead capture pages with whoever you want. Being able to create and share your own lead capture pages allows you to do targeted marketing. And this is extremely valuable because everyone has different needs. Think about a college student, a single mom, and an elderly couple. They all have different needs, and the more that you can appeal to their needs, the more likely they're going to buy your products and the more likely they're going to join your business, which all starts with capturing their contact information on a lead capture page. Top marketers have many different lead capture pages so that they can appeal to people with different needs. If you aren't using many lead capture pages to do targeted marketing, the bottom line is you are losing sales. Now, a company replicated website, again, does not include lead capture pages. And a company replicated website basically is a one-size-fits-all. In other words, they try to put all their products on their website to appeal to every single type of prospect. That's why you're losing money if you're only using a company replicated website and you're not using sales funnels. The true value of our simple proven system, which is called the Power Lead System, is that it allows you to easily create and share unlimited lead capture pages with only those people you want to share with, as well as easily use unlimited lead capture pages that others have created and shared with you. You don't have to create these yourself. If you'd like, you simply can use capture pages created by others. Now remember that lead capture pages are only one of three key components for an effective sales funnel. The other two key components for an effective sales funnel are sales pages and an email campaign. And with the Power Lead System, you can create and share unlimited sales funnels, or you can use unlimited sales funnels that have been created and shared with you. So what is the Power Lead System and why is it the best system for you? In addition to being a system that allows you to create and share unlimited sales funnels, it also has the ability to allow you to give anyone a free lead system forever. This is extremely valuable because it will make you look like a hero to your team, because it meets a huge need for most reps, because they need more prospects. Now again, we allow you to give anyone a free lead system forever because we also have a paid version. And the paid version of the Power Lead System allows reps to create and share unlimited sales funnels, and the paid version of the Power Lead System also allows reps to use unlimited sales funnels shared with them, in addition to many, many other benefits. Now the exciting part is that the Power Lead System is also very lucrative when sharing it with others. Now remember, you can start by giving away the free lead system to anyone. And when they see the value of upgrading to our paid version, and many people do, you'll get paid. We want you to focus on building your primary business. I want to make this really clear. Some people think, oh, the Power Lead system, it's just some simple system out there to help make money, and it's going to detract my people from their primary business. Nothing could be further from the truth. We want you to focus on building your primary business, because we have found that the best affiliates for the Power Lead system are people that are using our system to promote their primary business, because when others see them growing their business, they'll want it too. And our compensation is simply extra income, so that you have extra income to market your primary business, which will help anyone be a lot more successful in their primary business. Obviously, the more money that you have for marketing your primary business, the more successful you can be. And let me ask you another simple question. How much money do you make on prospects who are not interested in your primary business? Well, what if you could ask them one simple question in less than 1 minute and give them a free lead system? And what if they get our free lead system and they decide to upgrade, and again, many people do, to the Power Lead system, and then give that to their entire team? You could make a lot of money, so that you have a lot of money to market your primary business. Again, we want to make sure you don't think that having an online system replaces successful offline marketing. Some people have told me, oh, that's just some online tool and we do old school marketing and it works really well. Yes, there are a lot of extremely great techniques and skills for offline marketing. Our system is simply something to enhance what your offline marketing is already doing. It's not a replacement. I want to make sure that's clear. An online system will allow your reps to leverage their time by simply asking prospects a few simple questions, then pointing prospects to their website, so that your reps only spend time with serious prospects. This way, your reps are going to make a lot more money in less time while having a lot more fun. They're going to love you for referring them to the Power Lead system. So how can you get started with the Power Lead system? Simply click on the 7-day free trial button below to start exploding your business now. Once you join, we're going to show you how to easily create and share unlimited sales funnels with others, or again, easily use unlimited sales funnels that others have created and shared with you. As well, we're going to show you how to give away unlimited free lead systems so you can help others while easily earning extra income to market your primary business. So get started now with a 7-day free trial for the Power Lead system. You'll be glad you did. Go ahead and click on the free trial button below to start exploding your business now. You'll be glad you did.